Dear respected elders, brothers and sisters in Islam, welcome to YouTube channel Forgive Me Allah. I hope this video finds you in the best of Iman and health. So this video is about how to make zikr and how to use the tasbih in this beautiful month of Ramadan that we are now approaching. So the first thing that we need to do is know that the place that we're going to make zikr is clean, and that is a pure place, and there's no distractions. Also, we ourselves need to be clean, so we need to do wudu. We need to make sure we've had our ghusl and that we are in a clean state of mind. It's very important for us to focus on what we are about to do. So here is our tasbih in front of us, and we can pick up the tasbih. And today the name that we're going to concentrate on is Al-Alim. Al-Alim is one of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's 99 names. And what is the meaning of this name? So we need to know the meaning of the name before we begin. Al-Alim is the one who has absolute knowledge, the one who knows about every single thing that is taking place. So that is from how many grains of sand there are in the world. Any atom that moves is not without Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's knowledge. Any thought that we have, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is aware of that. Anything that moves, anything that speaks loudly, anything that speaks silently, anything that we think of in our heart that there's not even a sound to it, it's just a thought that we have. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has absolute knowledge. The knowledge is so much and so great that we cannot even begin to comprehend or understand. The distances do not matter, and the time does not matter, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is independent of time and distance. So an ant walking from a distance, we would find it difficult to see this ant from 10 feet away. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, from sitting on his arsh, can see the footsteps of the ant very clearly. Events that have taken place previously, things that are taking place now, and things that will happen in the future. Complete knowledge in every single way and every facet of everything that ever exists. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Alim. So now we have established a small example of what is the meaning of Al-Alim. We need to now, when you say the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, always make sure that we are in a state of humbleness, we are in a state of spiritual cleanliness, and we are ready to do something that is special and to make us feel closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, bring that connection. This is all about building a connection with our Lord. So we will sit here and we will begin with Bismillah, and we'll say Al-Alim, 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 Al-Alim. Each time knowing that when we are saying Al-Alim, we are knowing that it means the one who has complete knowledge, the one who is aware of every single thing that is taking place, the one who sees us every single moment, and the one that does not miss anything, and he always has his eye on us, and he can see everything that we do, and he is there to help us in every difficulty, and he is there with us in every moment of every day. So as long as we are fully aware that this is the zikr that we are making, it brings that closeness and connection to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we continue Al-Alim, 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 Al-Alim. So as you're saying the zikr, you are feeling your connection is beginning to grow. So with each moment that you say this zikr, the love and the understanding increases on what is being said. The feeling increases. How the zikr is coming across to your heart. This is an amazing zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And even as I was saying it now, I'm feeling a lifting of my iman. No matter what is going on in your life, zikr is a very important way for you to begin your journey on re-establishing your connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Any new Muslims that are here, welcome to our channel. It's very important that you understand that each step is a process. So the zikr today, you begin with this zikr. Each day in Ramadan, you make this zikr. and you build your iman. It's like block by block, tasbih by tasbih, prayer bead by prayer bead. Slowly, slowly, each moment will take us closer to where we need to get, which is our final destination, which is understanding the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and appreciating every moment that blessing that He has given us. So the zikrs are very simple, but yet so powerful. So it's something that we have to establish in our homes. We want angels to come to our homes. So therefore the zikr that we do is part of that process of bringing the angels to our homes, feeling that peace and comfort in our homes, taking away any negativity, and we only want to feel positivity. This month is a month of deep reflection. Ramadan indeed is a great blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we are very fortunate that we have been given the privilege to have this month of Ramadan in our life. So many prayers we can make, so much good we can do. We can help one another, give sadaqah. We need to make sure we give our zakat. We need to make sure that we help others that are less fortunate than us. This is a privilege upon us and an honor. And we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for allowing us to reach this month in good health and with a good state of mind. Dear respected elders, brothers and sisters in Islam, we make dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guides us to the straight path and removes any difficulties that we have in our life and allows us to prosper and become better people. This zikr is one zikr out of many zikrs that we can make. But I hope this video has been useful to you. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of your ibadah in Ramadan, accept my ibadah in Ramadan, and allow us to become better people. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Each day after the Fajr prayer, we should try to make this zikr. And we should try to make it for at least 15 minutes after the Fajr prayer. So you've completed your Fajr prayer, you've done your other zikr that you would normally do, and you are just sitting down on your prayer mat. You have completed your dua, and now you begin. And you sit here for 15 minutes, making this zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and contemplating on the meaning of what is being said, understanding why you are saying it, and understanding the significance and importance of what is being said. You will slowly start feeling a sense of calmness, a sense of contentment, and you will start feeling a closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you have not felt before. It is important that you concentrate. It's important that you put in the effort and the time. Each day after Fajr, 15 minutes of making the zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will improve your day, will make things better for you, and will set you up to be on a much more peaceful journey in your day, and will make your day prosperous, and everything will fall into place. We must begin with the correct intention, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make everything else easy for us.